Eat some, bitch. What's up with everybody? It's your boy RDR, and welcome back to RDR Food Reviews. Today, as you can see, right in front of your face, and at the bottom of the screen today, your boy RDR is doing a mac and cheese and rib mukbang, or just a ribs mukbang, because I don't think I've done a ribs mukbang yet. I did a Dickies mukbang a long time ago, but it's been a long time since I had ribs or barbecue at that fat, so that's what we have today, some good old mac and cheese. Oh man, gotta get me fork. What the hell am I doing? So that's what we got right here. Some mac and cheese, some beautiful ribs. Look at those ribs right there. Beautiful, rubbed up, back rub action on there. Then you got some gooey, beautiful macaroni and cheese. You see? We can just get a thumbnail later. Let's stop bullshit. Anyway, so man, let me tell you something about today, Texas weather. It was like 76 yesterday. Today, it's like fucking like almost 21 degrees. Texas weather is so bipolar, it's not even fucking funny. So I was looking like a dumbass outside with some shorts, and I'm just now trying to get over the cold. So disregard, technical error. Today, as you also see, it's gonna be a Chop Talk video. I'm gonna be talking about the latest and the crazy things going on in the world today. I'm here hot preaching I'm over here like I'm preaching in a sermon or some shit like that. Got some good Dasani water because your boy's on that water chase already. And I wanted to try this hot sauce, this Xanaran Cajun hot sauce. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys have tried this Xanaran Cajun hot sauce. Very curious about that. So let's go ahead and get a quick moment of prayer. Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Help this food nourish my body, make me stronger as a person, stronger as a man. Bless those that grow hungry as I pray to. Please, Father, some need. Holy gracious, my name I pray. Amen. Love you, Father. All right, now. So, we got that the way, with the prayer out the way. Thumbnail, pre-thumbnail. We'll find another one later. All right, so, let's begin. All right, so today, man, the first order of business. Man, hold up. Did you guys hear about this Colorado runner who was running in the trail? You know what I'm saying? This dude that was running in the trail in Colorado get attacked by a mountain lion. That shit was crazy. Yeah, this dude in Colorado, he was walking in a wildlife, in like some kind of trail in a park. And a goddamn mountain lion, a juvenile mountain lion, let me use you. Yo. Got my boneyard up there. Yeah, a damn juvenile mountain lion tried to decapitate this nigga. Cuddy was like, fuck that, not today. This nigga went fucking Street Fighter Turbo on that nigga. Motherfucker that mountain lion fucked up that day. He thought he was gonna get an easy ass prey. This nigga went MMA fucking John Bone Jones and choked the bitch out. Oh, hold up. Yeah, he choked the bitch out. That motherfucking mountain lion fucked up that morning, or whatever, afternoon. But he did kind of get the best of him. He scratched and punctured a whole bunch of shit on the nigga. But somehow this Caucasian guy, he fucking, I believe he's Caucasian, he fucking choked this bitch out. Nigga, you choked out a mountain lion, nigga. I feel like he automatically is legendary status. Not too many niggas can choke out a motherfucking a mountain lion that lives to tell the tale. Cause hey man, them motherfuckers is living, killing, breathing machine. And if a nigga told you he choked out a mountain lion, you wouldn't believe him. don't understand how come. Well, I guess not. I guess he caught him by he flashing that nigga. Oh, if that was, I'm telling you, if that was a black person, they would try to ran away from that hoe or picked up a stick and try to bash that bitch. We ain't gonna defend that, but we ain't gonna try to sit there and fight that motherfucker. We watch motherfucking Discovery Channel. That shit was throw, bro. The fact this nigga lived to tell the tale. This damn Xanaran hot sauce is hitting, boy. Apologies. Niggas and ribs. Macaroni, nigga. Oh, listen to that. Listen to that. That's that ASMR shit. The sticky of the icky. They gotta be killing myself. So shout out to the nigga that survived. This next story come from this lame ass nigga, bro. This lame nigga from Pennsylvania. This nigga name is John Van Horn. 49-year-old nigga is charged. This nigga here handcuffed his wife because he was feared this bitch was finna cheat on this nigga. Probably again. John Van Horn. Let me show y'all what this pussy nigga look like. That's right. I did it. You know this nigga. You know that nigga be getting cheated on. Look at John Van Horn, bitch ass nigga. Handcuffing his bitch because he was afraid that she was gonna cheat on him. Look at you, nigga. Of course she fucking cheating on your Joe Dirt looking ass. But you didn't have to handcuff her, John. Just take your L like a man and keep it pushing. What you doing in these streets, nigga? This nigga in jail, charged with false imprisonment. Man, it's not that serious, man. Come on, bro. I mean, a lot of people did much worse. But you looking crazy. John, I should talk to your boy RDR. Bro, if you was just that fearful of your girl cheating on you, bro, should have said that you had planned the night before to handcuff this motherfucker to a stingray wherever you go. Hey, just pack your shit, get in your fucking El Camino and go, nigga. Man, ain't no reason for you to sit there and put yourself in that predicament. Now ain't no other bitches gonna be with you because now everybody in the town knows that you handcuffing bitches. And you insecure as fuck. You done ruined your legacy. He's 49, so I'm assuming maybe this nigga got kids. Sure would hate for niggas to be ranking on my daddy if that was my daddy, my nigga. Shit would not go well. Am I weird? Am I weird for doing this? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Am I weird for putting hot sauce on ribs? Please let me know. Tastes good to me. I think ribs and seafood balls go in the ham. Cause this fat bitch get physical. Drip, drip. All right. The next story come from this. The last nigga was lame. This nigga here. It's ultra combo lame as fuck. That nigga lame as fuck. This dumb nigga right here faked his own motherfucking kidnapping for $130 motherfucking dollars. That nigga's stupid. Nigga, how do you fucking fake your own kidnapping for $130? Don't worry, I'm gonna show you the picture of this cockeyed baby head ass nigga, bro. Man, this nigga named Emmanuel Franklin. Nigga, 19 years old. Don't worry, it's not a typo. He is definitely looking to the right and the fucking left, my nigga. This nigga here, Emmanuel Franklin, fucking, this nigga faked his own kidnapping. This nigga here had some nigga call his mama, right? Yeah, this nigga here had a nigga call his mama, talk about they kidnapped this nigga, and that the ransom was gonna be $130 something. Boy, you need your ass whooped for that. How you gonna do your mama like that, nigga? $130, nigga? You need to get your bitch ass out there and mow them yards, nigga. Refreshing, goddamn. Get a job at the Sony, nigga. Why would you do that, nigga? Nigga, you looking stupid. I know them niggas in the day room was laughing at your motherfucking ass, boy. Especially when they saw you get on the news. That shit throw, bro. Damn, this mac and cheese hitting, boy. Oh, shit. The things niggas do these days, huh? All right. This next story is throwed as fuck, too. I don't know which one's the lamest ones. I really can't tell you which one is the lamest. But this one right here might take the cake. I think so. This Indian man sued his parents for giving birth to him without consent. Nigga, are we on hell on earth or what? A nigga named Rafi Samuel. You super lame, nigga. In the picture or whatever, he got like a fake ass beard and shit. I guess he don't want niggas to really see him or whatever. That nigga went viral or whatever over this lame ass shit. Talking about suing his parents, but without giving consent for making his bitch ass, right? This nigga here, this nigga here is a part of a following called the what is this shit called? Anti-Catholicism group or whatever, which is rare. It's throwed. It's about niggas that think it's morally wrong for people to procreate without consent. Bringing humanity into a world of suffering. You stupid in the bitch. Nigga, you need to feel blessed, bitch. It was 100 billion little niggas in your daddy's sack. And you just so happened to swim past all them niggas. You chose this lifestyle, motherfucker. You chose to get out the hut, nigga. Talking about, they didn't choose you. You chose to get out, nigga. Think about it, nigga. Stay your bitch ass woke. And let's talk about something else. Rafi, you dumb motherfucker. What about all them kids that you spilling in your motherfucking room every night? Because you ain't getting no coochie in these streets. What about, let's talk about the kids that you spilling in your socks or your motherfucking paper towels and all the other shit. All you skeeting like a motherfucker, jacking off in the dark, bitch ass nigga. You know what I'm saying, nigga? Should them little niggas sue you when them niggas ain't even came to life yet? That whole group, that whole movement is lame. Your life can't be that fucking bad. You went viral, I think, on YouTube or some shit like that. But you want to sue your parents. That nigga's stupid in a bit. Oh well. I got to have. In other news, well, in good news, Cardi B and Offset are back together again. I think that's fantastic. You know what I'm saying? It's wonderful. Got a baby together. It's good to keep the family going strong. Offset, Cuddy, you got one of the baddest chicks in the game, Cuddy. Don't fuck up again. There's a lot of niggas want your bitch, nigga. And this time you can bet, if you fuck up this time, you can beg and plead for her sympathy. She won't mind. She don't give a fuck if you bad. Mm-hmm. I have top news for the day. Ribs, boy. Ribs in February. Oh, yeah? Boy, they get messy. Oh, yeah. Happy Black History Month to everybody. One of my favorite Black History heroes, George Washington Carver. A nigga that invented peanut butter. I'm a peanut butter whore. And if it wasn't for him taking the time, smashing them nuts on the side of the hut, I don't know what the fuck we would have had without peanut butter. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, this is fantastic. Mac and cheese was on fleek. Ribs was crunk as fuck. Look at this. What is that, fella? Elephant graveyard in this bitch. You should never go there, Simba. Never go there. That, everybody, is my mac and cheese ribs or just ribs mukbang Chop Talk video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's your boy RDR. And like I always say, man, hey, look, food is a gift, so please give thanks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to share this video. And yeah, don't forget to share this video and spread my channel to the masses. Again, subscribe. I want to thank all my subscribers that's been rocking me from the get-go. I want to thank just overall YouTube period for giving me an opportunity to display my I guess, this talent that God has given me to the masses, you know what I'm saying? But I love every last one of you guys. And if you don't like this video, hit it with a thumbs down. It don't matter. I'm going to love you like I always have. It's your boy RDR, and I'm signing out. God bless y'all. Take care already. I love you guys, and I'll see you very, very soon. God bless, and good night.